settled that, right? We good.
Can I say everything on that? I run the hose. I got to wash the area down.
You can do that. You can do that.
Yeah.
You can do that. You can do that.
I got 100 hose.
Run hose to wash area.
You know where I'm at.
That's cool.
Texas.
Okay? Anybody else? Anything else we can try to solve for y'all? That we can do with our power? Because we ain't got no power though. I'm just keeping it real.
No, we ain't got no power.
And try to keep you guys as happy as we possibly can. And try to, you know what I mean? That's all. We just kind of like the liaison between the city. Or put it this way, we are dumping board.
I might
for the
put my
city.
cot in the office at night so I can
can't do
see.
nothing for y'all, really. I mean, I do what I can. If I got it, I'm gonna give it to you.
Who do we talk to about power? I can have a meeting.
That's what they digging over here. That's what they doing right there, Mr. What's your name? Mason. This is what they doing right here. They digging that hole so they can make the power run through that thing down there. Through this, whatever that trench is, and then it's gonna be power. So it can come this way, so it can go to that side and this side. You get what I'm saying? That other shit they had set up was not approved. It was not approved. It did not pass the inspection.
You told me about that.
EPA did not allow, when they had the generators back there. That did not get approved.
Yeah, because they got the generators by the field.
It wasn't mine, man, trust me. So
One
anyway,
spark off the fucking exhaust, the fire's gonna take off.
that's what they doing right there.
Still doing it wrong.
I don't care. That's not got nothing to do with it. You need to be trying. You need to be telling them how to do that. You need to show them your design and get that contract. You need to get that
Hey, we would have
contract.
power in 2 days if they would chose to use solar.
That's all I can tell you.
Our government owns the solar panels.
So
It's
let me
free
finish.
for them, and we would have free electricity.
So let me explain this other part to you. Not only are they digging the hole that way, they're gonna dig a hole behind this way, but irrigation for those restrooms that have toilets that flush and go down like a real toilet. And so they're digging. They are doing the work. But those generators wasn't approved because of the environment.
Yeah.
Okay? Because of the pollution. Okay? So that's in effect, you guys, as y'all see. That's what they doing right there.
Alright, let's drop the gavel and get this over with.
All right? Now, anybody didn't sign this sign-in sheet? Yeah, everybody get one of those raffle tickets.
After summer, you should have something.
That might be the winner one.
Winter ass should have some power.
All right, now. Hey, look. So, anybody got anything else they want to add to this here? Oh, hey, hey, I need y'all to meet our new deputy director.
Another one. Sharp. I mean, you those like twisting wrong.
Then we gonna start this business up.
Drum roll, drum roll.
You right up the keys, D9.
No.
With a lot of issues. Help with a lot of issues. You just gotta work with the case managers, create an exit plan, and then we can help decide if we can fix your RV and help you get somewhere with your family or reunited.
I don't got a problem leaving. I have my electrical and my.
Why is that?
Huh? I don't need them. I see it. Because I need lights in there. Electrical, cheap by the gas, and the all the hoses.
I mean, this is a temporary facility. This isn't.
Well, before I moved in here, it wasn't like that.
Yeah, but eventually they're gonna put it to where you got a limit to be here, like 6 months.
They're not trying to make this big a long-term thing.
You know, some people ain't even really trying to get housing. They just hear it, not even allowing other people to get in. That ain't right.
Thanks for your input, bro.
Yeah, I was just saying, you know, eventually they're gonna change the dynamics. This is only a 6-month program. You know, something like that. To where, you know, they give other people that's out there that really want to get housing a chance. You get what I'm saying?
The goal is to give people house. That's what this whole purpose is to serve, is to give people house.
Hey, let me